In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a scrolling screenshot in Windows 10 and 11 so you can capture an entire page from top to bottom. When you take a regular screenshot on Windows, it usually only grabs what you can currently see on your screen. That works fine for smaller windows, but if you're trying to save a long web page, a lengthy document, or a chat history, it quickly becomes a hassle. You either have to take multiple screenshots and stitch them together, or you lose important information that's further down the page. A scrolling screenshot solves this by automatically capturing everything in one clean, continuous image. Before we start, make sure the content you want to capture is open and ready. This could be a web browser, a settings window, or another app that scrolls vertically. Adjust the window size so that it's comfortably visible and set the zoom level to something that makes the text readable. That way, your final screenshot will look clear and sharp. On Windows 10 and 11, the built-in snipping tool doesn't yet support true scrolling screenshots. So, you'll need to use a dedicated screenshot application that offers this feature. Many popular tools have an option called scrolling capture, full page, or scrolling window. Once you've installed your preferred tool, open it and look for the capture options. You'll typically see choices like rectangular capture, window capture, and then a separate option for scrolling or full page capture. Next, switch back to the window you want to capture. Start your scrolling screenshot from the tool's interface, then click on the specific window or browser tab that contains your content. The tool will automatically begin scrolling down the page for you. During this process, avoid moving your mouse or scrolling manually, because that can interrupt the capture and cause glitches or overlapping sections in the final image. When the tool finishes scrolling, it will generate a preview of your full-page screenshot. Take a moment to review it from top to bottom. Check that headings, images, and text are all aligned correctly, and that nothing has been cut off at the top or bottom. If something looks off, simply redo the capture and make sure the window is stable and fully loaded before you start. Once you are happy with the result, save the screenshot in a convenient location, using a clear file name so you can easily find it later. You can then share it, attach it to emails, or add it to documents just like any other image.